Hi guys, on the 21st of February, actor Justin Melnick fell from a helicopter. I think why he was doing a commercial ad. Okay, let you guys check this one. Actor Justin Melnick recovered after fall from helicopter. That is the title, and it has happened on the 21st of February, around there. He was doing a private commercial shooting, and he fell from a height of 15 to 20 feet from a helicopter. Okay, this happened in California. Now guys, I'll let you see what I dreamed on the 26th of March 2020, meaning like 1 year before. I hope you guys can read it. Title is Passenger Fell Off Helicopter. So I knew it somewhere, somehow. Somebody is going to fall from a helicopter. And it has happened the same way. Okay guys, again, another proof that I see everything in my dreams that is going to happen. Whether in the near future or in a further distance in the future, I see it. And I email it and I document it by email, and after it happens, I do those videos so that people can see what is going on. Thank you guys, please share it.